Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the SwitchBot Wallet Finder Card, an innovative smart device designed to keep your wallet secure and always within reach, with the added advantage of using the card to find your iPhone. Saves having to get your partner to call you if you lose your phone. In this video, we'll take you through what's in the box, the features offered, how to set up the wallet finder in the SwitchBot app and in the Apple Find My app, and wrap up with a recommendation. So let's open the wallet and see what this useful device is all about. In the box, you get the SwitchBot Wallet Finder itself and a 10cm lanyard, which I assume is for connecting to a bag, a user manual, a warranty card, and a SwitchBot support card. The device is acclaimed 2.5mm thick, which I found to be 2.74mm, but I'm not going to argue about 0.24mm. Needless to say, it's incredibly thin. It weighs in at a very impressive 15 grams, so you would not even notice the weight, and it's credit card size, so it will fit into your existing wallet or purse. On one side is the action button for pairing, that also doubles for the finder button for when you want to find your iPhone, while on the reverse is a large QR code that is used to provide the person that finds your card with the details that you can load into the SwitchBot app. There is also a smaller QR code in the top right hand corner of the card, but I couldn't find any reference to this. If you know what this is, maybe let us know in the comments. Then there is an NFC icon on the card that can be used to open devices such as the SwitchBot Smart Lock. More on that later. Let's explore the features that makes the SwitchBot Wallet Finder stand out. As mentioned, it's 2.5mm thick and the size of a credit card, so it's just a little thicker and heavier, so it fits seamlessly into your wallet or purse. It will last for up to a reported 3 years of use without replacement. Just remember that the battery is not replaceable or rechargeable. It has a range of up to 80 meters in an open environment, so more than enough to find your wallet or using it to find your phone that's down the side of the couch. But if using within a building, this will reduce due to signal degradation due to the walls. It's IP67 waterproof rated, so it will withstand accidental splashes or brief immersion, so great for a rainy day or a workout, but don't leave it in the bath for a long period of time. The alarm is remarkably loud for such a small device at 85 decibels, so it's easy to hear and locate, much louder than my old Tile Slim. It's compatible with Apple's Find My network, allowing for full integration, more on that later. It fully integrates into the SwitchBot ecosystem, allowing for advanced automations based on location or proximity. As this is a Bluetooth device, it has the ability to leverage the SwitchBot user network for extended tracking, similar to how Apple's AirTag works in conjunction with other iPhone users. Let's walk through the installation process within the SwitchBot app. First off, you'll need to have downloaded the SwitchBot app. QR codes on the screen if you need to download. Create an account or sign in. Press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Select Add Device. Now you might see your wallet finder already listed, and if so, select it. If you don't see it listed, then press the action button for 2 seconds and the wallet finder will appear, then select it. You'll be instructed to long press the action button again for 2 seconds or until you hear a beep. Now press Connect Device. The app will try and connect to your wallet finder. Once connected, you'll be asked if you have added it to the Find My app. If this is your first time adding, then press Not Yet. Now give your wallet finder a name and optionally a room. Press Next. A message will confirm that the wallet finder has been successfully added. Now let's see what features the wallet finder has in the SwitchBot app. Pressing the Find Card option, you can make the wallet finder play music, or you can stop the music by either pressing pause on the app, or if you have found your wallet, pressing the Found It button. Alternatively, you can press the action button on the wallet finder to silence the sounds. The next option is the ability for the wallet finder to find your phone. This feature is not by default. Select Find My Phone. Now pressing the button on the wallet finder will play music on your phone. Very handy for when you've misplaced your phone but still have your wallet. Then there is Lost Mode for when you have lost your wallet. If activated by using the toggle, you may receive location information from the app or via email when the wallet finder is located. This is also the place where you can set up a contact name, email, phone number, and message that will appear if the person that finds the wallet finder scans the QR code that is on the reverse of the card. Then you have automations. These are from within the SwitchBot application and only affect SwitchBot devices, such as turning on the lights when you get home or closing the blinds when you're leaving. And finally, the wallet finder has an NFC tag embedded, so it can be used to open the SwitchBot lock. There is no mention of this feature working with other manufacturers, but if you have examples of this working, then please let us know in the comments. Now let's add Wallet Finder to Find My on my iPhone. Open Find My. Press the plus icon. Select Add Other Item. Your iPhone will search for any compatible location trackers. It will find your SwitchBot Wallet Finder card. Press Connect. Give it a name and press Continue. Optionally give it an icon from the list of emojis and press Continue. You'll receive a message that your wallet finder is linked to your account with details of your email and mobile phone number. And a warning message about tracking people without their consent is a crime. Read this carefully and press Agree. And you're done. Your wallet finder can now be tracked within the Apple Find My as you would with an Apple AirTag. Remember, this will show up as an item and not a device. Now, as at the time of recording, there does not seem to be any way of integrating the SwitchBot Wallet Finder with Home Assistant. This is true from the SwitchBot Bluetooth and the SwitchBot Cloud integrations. If you have found a way of exposing the Wallet Finder in Home Assistant, then let us know in the comments. SwitchBot is not the first to the market with this form factor, but the Wallet Finder is a great option with good range, excellent battery life, and good integration into the Apple and SwitchBot ecosystems. Hopefully they will listen to their customer base and open the integration into Home Assistant. And you get all of this for $16.99 US with the current 32% off using the code 32WFC. These devices might seem to be just another gadget until you lose your phone or wallet, and then the ability to find where in the house you left your phone or wallet and saves you tearing the house apart could be the difference between making that job interview or not. So the SwitchBot Wallet Finder gets a thumbs up from Smart Home Australia as a well-engineered, well-featured, cost-effective wallet finder. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if I've helped you make a purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.